Now we'll write heading. So leave one finger space and write capital W, small a, T, E, R, water. Again one finger space, capital A, small n, I, M, A, L, S. Animals. Water, animals. After this, we'll write numbers on the left side of margin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, first, we will write which water animal? Shark. So, first alphabet will be capital S, H, A, R, K. Shark. So, from red line, S, then small h, A, R, K. Shark. S, H, A, R, K. Shark. To shark, dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. So, first alphabet will be capital D. D, small o, L, P, H, I, N. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. After dolphin, octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. First alphabet capital O. From red line to second blue line, make a big O. Small c. O, C, T. O, P, U, S. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Now you have to write below here, and you have to learn these spellings thoroughly.